This miso green beans recipe is easy, quick, and one of the best. I ate so many string beans like this. You want to have a very hot pan and use avocado oil. Put in about a pound of string beans. Pat them down so they have a minute to sear, and then you got to make a sauce with a tablespoon of miso paste, half tablespoon of mirin, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of water, and you can add some garlic powder if you want. Mix that well. Now look, the string beans are blistering. You want to have that blistered, seared string bean. Add a pat of butter. And then because the heat is high, you actually want to lower the heat as soon as that's mixed in because miso paste can burn. Add in the miso sauce and mix it, toss it very well until perfectly coated. Plate it and serve right away. This is the most amazing Asian side dish. It's such an easy string bean recipe. Follow, like, and subscribe for more easy Asian recipes.